Water use in terms of taking a litre of water from a river and getting it to a plant on a farm is less than 25% worldwide. Australia, through technology, has managed to get that up to around about 50%. That means that we can actually improve productivity of water, which is how much water we use per kilo of production, by 100%. Our centre was about taking the knowledge that we have in Australia and seeing if we could apply it into China.
Yeah, we've established some really strong links with individual people in China, particularly from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and from Tsinghua University. And I think those links are now durable and there's a lot of mutual interest, so I'm confident that'll continue.
In the last year, we exchanged 40 students to Australia. Next year, there will be students from China coming to Australia to come to the Murray-Darling Basin.
What spurred this collaboration was the China-Australia Research Fund, because before this project, no contacts in China, and as soon as I was asked to participate in this project, which I was very happy to do, suddenly had a lot of contacts there and the people there I could have collaborated with. So all the contacts that I have in China have come through this project.
It's very clear that our Chinese colleagues in this area were very research focused, but they're also very outcomes focused. I've actually enjoyed tremendously working with the Chinese because they want to get things done. They want to see it implemented, and our ongoing collaboration, especially in the education and the research area, they're still working on not just the research but the outcomes as well. So the Centre, in taking the water management practices from Australia, is trying to look at the fact that in northern China, where we've got water scarcity, the outcomes are usually fairly predictable, the same outcomes as we got in Australia.
None of that collaboration would have happened without the centre. So the centre's been really central in enabling that cross-country fertilisation.